everybody, this is Markeisha. Welcome back to another episode of Saturday Morning Crafts. This collaboration is hosted by myself as well as Scrap Passion 01 every second Saturday of the month at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. We have a great lineup that join us every Saturday, second Saturday. We have Rosa, Creative Way, Erica, who is Scrap Diva 29, Shishi, who is Shishi Crafts, as well as Gloria, who is Crafty Cake 7. So all of the information and links will be down in the description box so you can follow along. There will be prizes along the way, and stay tuned for that. And guys, super excited to share with you today. I had so much fun creating this month, so I'm going to jump right in. This month I decided to play with my Traveler's Notebook die. I've had it for a little while and I wanted to go ahead and pull it out. And so let me just share with you the die really quick. Here's the die that I use. This is a Caitlin Lizardi die. Very easy die that you can use. I picked that up at Hobby Lobby. And here is the insert that I use for this. That goes right along with that die set. It's a Thinlit die, and it has all of the pieces in there. So this is my version of a Kate Spade inspired TN. So I'm going to jump right in. On the front cover here, I have a sticker that says "Like a Boss." I have this pink faux leather ribbon that's on the top. You know Kate Spade, she liked her stripes, she liked her pinks and all of her beautiful colors. On the side here I just have this beautiful dangle here and has lots of really pretty beads on there. So I have a little bow here, and then I have a little die cut that I'll share with you guys. This is just a little charm that I have on the side, so let's go ahead and jump in and see how this turned out. Okay, so on the first cover here, this is using a little Thinlit die here. I have a little stamped out little word here that says selfie. I have this little bow here, and then in this little pocket I have a little laminated card that I just printed off the internet. It says "Playing Dress Up begins at age 5 and never truly ends." That is one of Kate Spade quotes. And I just have this little bow. These bows were already made. I picked these up at Hobby Lobby, and I just made this gorgeous little paper clip to go right on there. The next page here is totally inspired by Kate Spade. And so you see the little paper. It has the little heels on it. I have this Kate Spade printout that I have laminated there, some pearls, some bows, and then these little eyeglasses here. And I'll share with you guys the die for the eyeglasses. This is a die that I picked up by Maya Road here. And of course I picked this up at Tuesday morning a little while ago. It's called Glasses and the Mustache die. So I just have this little pocket here. This comes from the little Thinlit piece that goes along with that. And this is my first booklet here. This has all of the calendars and everything in there. And then this here is my little shaker that's in here. And I have lots of glitter. You probably can't see that, but I have pink and gold glitter that's throughout this little pocket here. I have some stickers. This one says "She believed she could, so she did." And "Kind heart, fierce mind, brave spirit." So Kate Spade was known for her quotes. Now these are not Kate Spade quotes, but I thought they was very fitting for the book. And sorry about the glare. It's kind of a glare, but there it is. Okay. So the next little back of the pocket was another quote by Kate Spade, and it says "Eat cake for breakfast." I totally agree with Kate on that one. And so again, lots of shaker mix there that's really pretty. I have some black in there, just really, really gorgeous. Here is another one of the books in there. I have this little Heidi Swapp die here that says "Happy," and this is the die here. I put a little sticker down at the bottom that says "Let's do it." And then this is just another little booklet, and this is where I have this little laminated girl here. I thought she was so sassy and so cute, and I picked this die up at on AliExpress, guys. So this is how the die looks here. Okay, so I just laminated her so that she can be a page marker to go inside of the book. I really like how she turned out. Very cute, hanging outside of that book. Alright, so then here's another pocket here, and this is another image I laminated, and you can see all of the shaker bits here. Totally inspired by Kate. And then here is another, actually this is a pocket that I created, and I used this little die here, picked up on AliExpress. And I put a little sticker here that says sassy and sweet. Have some hairpins and some eyelashes. That is so girly, and I so love it. And so I created this pocket. And if you guys know anything about Queen Bee, you know where I was going with this one. So this is just a little pocket where I can just kind of stick some little die cuts or paper or things to actually fill out my TN. And then I have a little sticker here that says count the happies. Alright, so here is another booklet here. I have in this pocket, these are my walking shoes. And then I have this little laminated die cut here with the bow on it with some eyelashes paper, and then some gold paper on the back. Now you can see it a little bit, a little bit better here. And this tag die came from AliExpress as well. Now my thoughts on this is to add some washi tape, you know, through the little folds there, and stick that right there in the pocket there so that I can have to add washi tape throughout my notebook. And this says blessed. And then at the back, another shaker, guys. This says you are capable of amazing things. So that's another little shaker. You can't really see it. I have such a horrible glare. And this is also a pocket here. And then I have my ink pen here, black and white, matches the Traveler's Notebook. It folds back over like this. And so this is my first project. Again, really love how this turned out. This was my first Traveler's Notebook, and I love it. So I will be making more of these, so stay tuned for that. Alright, let's jump into the next project. Okay, so these projects, I have to just put a disclaimer out there. They were totally inspired by Jill Norwood, guys. She has already started her Christmas in July, and so she's been creating some very cute tags, and so I wanted to create some tags as well, and I could not wait to break open the Santa baby paper there. And so this has lots of glitter and sparkles, some seam binding here, this little die cut here that you can see here, if I can get all the seam binding out of the way, is this really shimmery paper here. This is Anna Griffin paper, and then this is one of the stickers from the Santa Baby collection. Down here at the bottom I have some yummy macaroons with some glitter on it, and has a little bow. So let me show you guys the tag that I used. I used this tag set here from Alina Crafts. Here is the macaroons that I use, and this is Avery L. This is the Bonjour die, and it actually has a stamp set that goes along with it. And so here is the macaroons. And then the little lipo I used came from this scissors die here. Got it marked down when Hobby Lobby was doing their wonderful clearance. And so this is the die that I used there. So again, love how this tag came out. Shimmery, just so sparkly, so my style. I love it. That paper is really gorgeous. So the next tag I created is this one here. Super cute. Used the same tag there, but let me share with you guys the other elements I used. Punched out this tag with a punch that I have, and so I used this die here, this Christmas Noel die here, and stamp set from Michaels. And here is the little cute little deer that I got. This is Alina Crafts, Little Deer. As you can see, I've already started playing with some more, but this die comes from Alina Crafts. And then what I did for the little log here, I used this die here from Alina Crafts, and I just used this log here. So again, always look for other you know, dies you can incorporate into your projects. So I really love how this turned out, guys. I added some little star confetti there that is the pink and that little green color. I have some crystals there by Prima. Love it. And I just love the pink in the Santa Baby. And then I have some tassel trim at the top. So really, really love this tag. Oh my gosh, I had so much fun creating these. Here is the last one. Oh my gosh, it is a shaker here. And let me share with you what I used. So for the candy cane here, I used this die set here. For the Sentiment Believe, I use this. I love this die because it has the shadow with it. This is an AliExpress die. And then for the Lateran, oh, I love that. Here is that die right there. And you can see, guys, it's a great size too as well. So here is this tag here. Really, really nice shaker there, guys. Love it. And then I have a little ephemera piece from the ephemera pack that goes with the Santa Baby. Some seam binding, and really, really love how this turned out, guys. Thanks, guys, so much for tuning in. I will be doing a giveaway, so I will come back next Saturday and announce the winner. And so let me just share with you guys what I will be giving away. I will be giving away this tag punch from Hobby Lobby. This die here, To a Special Friend. This is a bag topper die. And then this is some small letters dies as well. So all you have to do is be a subscriber to the YouTube channels and leave a comment, and I will come back and do a drawing at the end of next week, which is next Saturday, and I'll have the date here in the description. So guys, don't forget to go over and check out the other ladies. You guys will not be disappointed. I'm sure they're going to have some fantastic projects for you guys to view. So thanks so much for watching. Until next time, bye.